Yes, maybe now it will work. Okay, yes, now it will work. Oh,
Oh my
thank you
God.
so much. Patiently, आप इतना देर से मेरा help करिए. So, parents,
No
friends,
problem.
so we are now here, and I'm so sorry. हम लोग बहुत delay हैं हमारे time से because there are some network issue. That's why it will happen. So today's topic is NIOS, जो कि मैं पहले भी आपको बता चुकी हूँ कि आज का topic NIOS है. That is National Institute of Open Schooling of the Open Schooling. उसके बारे में जानने के लिए आज हमने हमारी गेस्ट मिस बेनिफर सतरवाला मैम को इनवाइट किया है. शी इज remedial educator. She is a vice principal at Smita Learning Center, and she is in this field from last 15 years, and she is the best person. Actually she is the best person जो हमें पूरा NIOS के बारे में एक जानकारी देंगी, जो कि हम पेरेंट्स एज अ पेरेंट, एज अ मदर, और मे बी मतलब ये किसी के लिए भी यूजफुल हो सकता है. नॉट इवन फॉर अ डाउन सिंड्रोम चाइल्ड, इट इज यूजफुल फॉर ऑटिस्टिक चाइल्ड, फॉर अ लर्निंग डिसेबिलिटी. मीन्स ईच एंड एवरी चाइल्ड विच हैविंग सम लर्निंग इश्यूज, और किसी को कोई भी स्पेशल किसी को भी स्पेशल नीड्स की जरूरत है, वो बच्चा इसको यूज कर सकता है फॉर द फर्दर एजुकेशन. बिकॉज एज वी ऑल नो देयर इज राइट टू एजुकेशन फॉर एवरी चाइल्ड. देयर इज अ राइट टू एजुकेशन जो कि हर बच्चे की हम कह सकते हैं हर बच्चे का राइट है. सो education is not a privilege, it is a right. So it is a quotation, and every child wants, हर बच्चा उड़ना चाहता है, चाहे वो स्पेशल नीड का बच्चा हो, चाहे वो एक टिपिकल बच्चा हो. हर बच्चे को हर बच्चे के इमोशंस होते हैं, हर बच्चे की अपनी खुद का एक पर्सनालिटी होती है, और उसको हमें कैसे बाहर निकालना है, उसके लिए बेस्ट होता है एजुकेशन, नॉलेज. वो ही उसको पंख देती है. हम कह सकते हैं कि खोल दे पंख मेरे, खोल दे पंख मेरे, कहता है परिंदा, कहता है परिंदा, अभी और उड़ान बाकी है. जमीन नहीं है मंजिल मेरी, अभी पूरा आसमान बाकी है. और वो आसमान जो देगा वो उसको एजुकेशन देगी, और वो एजुकेशन ही उसके पंख बनेगी, और उसे उस आसमान में उड़ने के लिए पूरी आजादी देगी, जिससे कि वो अपना पंख फैला के उड़ सके, पूरा आसमान छू सके. भले ही उसमें कुछ कमी हो, लेकिन एक एजुकेशन के थ्रू वो आगे बढ़ सकता है. तो आज इस टॉपिक को कि क्या NIOS से क्या फायदा है, उसके क्या बेनिफिट हैं, कैसे बच्चे उस कोर्स को आगे मतलब उसको यूज कर सकते हैं अगर वो कोप अप नहीं कर पा रहे हैं इस करिकुलम में, हमारे स्कूल करिकुलम में. बिकॉज एवरी चाइल्ड, हर बच्चे का पेस अलग होता है. किसी को कोई जल्दी सीखता है, किसी को टाइम लगता है कुछ चीज को सीखने में. तो आज मैम, थैंक यू सो मच मैम. आई एम सो सॉरी कि आपको इतना वेट कराना पड़ा. आई एम सो सॉरी फॉर दैट. एंड आपने इतना मुझे मेरा 1 घंटे तक पूरा साथ दिया. आई एम सो सॉरी. एंड वी ऑल वेलकम यू मैम. थैंक यू सो मच. आप यहाँ पर हैं मैम. कैन यू प्लीज आप अपना टिल्ट कर लीजिए कैमरा, बिकॉज आप थोड़ा साइडवेज दिखें. यस, नाउ इट्स ओके मैम.
That is a problem using the phone.
Yes ma'am.
Yes. Okay. First of all, thank you for having me here. And a big sorry to whoever has joined late. I know both of us were trying for the past 1 hour to figure things out. But I think we were literally wondering कि अभी ये क्या next Sunday करना चाहिए कि क्या. But anyway, let's begin. So सबसे पहले NIOS stands for, we are going to discuss what is NIOS and how it will help our children with special needs. It can be anything. It can be on the autism spectrum, it can be intellectual disability, it can be Downs, whatever, but how this board helps all our children. So NIOS stands for National Institute of Open Schooling, or it is basically based in Delhi. वो दिल्ली में है. It is first of all I would just like to say it is recognized equally as each and every other board that is there. Your CBSE बोलो आप, each state का जो SSC board रहता है, IGC, it is equally at par. My son himself has completed his 10th and 12th from there, and right now he's in a mainstream college doing his graduation. So there is absolutely nothing to say that भाई NIOS क्या है. It is at par. Now, I have written down a few things. So the first thing is people who have children who have completed 14 years of age, they can register on. So the only criteria for NIOS is if you have completed 14 years of age. वो schooling नहीं देखता है, कुछ नहीं देखता है. It is not looking at any sort of certificate, nothing. It just wants that that person completes 14 years of age. You do till your 8th 9th standard, perfectly fine. Otherwise also no issues.
Okay.
Next, the registration is absolutely easy. It is done, everything is done online. Any part of India, आप कहीं भी बैठ के, you can just do your registration online. We get the books, the study material comes in after a couple of months. It does take time, I totally agree. But you don't need to wait till the study material comes home. Online sub resources are available. So you can start your learning immediately. The website
Okay,
is nios.ac.in.
Okay.
nios.ac.in. That's the website. Once you click on that, everything is absolutely very well explained, including the provisions what our children will need. Now, earlier, NIOS was not meant actually for children with special needs. It was started for people who could not attend a regular school. That was the premise of starting NIOS. And as our children with special needs, as the teachers, whoever were involved in the early years, they noticed that, you know, it is becoming extremely difficult to teach children along with the either the IG board, the IC board, ICSE board, or the CBSE or the state board. Then they realized that there are certain provisions in NIOS which are very, very flexible, very useful for our children. And the first one the reason which I chose NIOS for my child and our school, where even my director and I believe that yes, this is one of the main reasons, is the child can give the paper at their own pace. So there is no pressure कि भाई 5 subjects एक ही साल में देना है. वो pressure आता ही नहीं है. It is your registration. Once you register, it's valid for 5 years. So वो 5 साल में you take your time. You take your time. One tough paper, you can give it separately. 2 easy papers साथ में दे दो. मतलब there is nobody to tell you anything. वो आपकी मर्जी है. It is up to the child's pace. And you get the certificate at the end of completion of all the 5 papers. So tomorrow.
Sorry to disturb. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन है कि अगर बच्चा 5 साल का उसके पास टाइम होता है तो मैम ये कितने एवरी ईयर पेपर होते हैं या एवरी 6 months पेपर होते हैं, कैसे ऑप्ट कर सकता है बच्चा?
I was just coming to that. The exams are held in April and in October. तो ठीक है, अप्रैल में 1-2 पेपर्स दे सकते हो, अक्टूबर में वापस 2 पेपर्स दे सकते हो, जो भी है आपकी मर्जी. लाइक वी हैड यूजुअली हम लोग क्या करते हैं 1-2-1 वैसा कुछ डिवाइड कर लेते हैं, 2-2-1. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली आपके ऊपर है. And no pressure on the child. That is one of the main reasons for choosing NIOS. That October, now in I think now October the exam will be held. फिर से April. So you register. Now we want, in our school we have a couple of children who are ready to give the paper, but they are only in April. तो हम लोग ने अभी registration हो गया. But before the exam, you have to pay an exam fee for the subjects that you are attempting. So that time we will send April ke aage. Now, once you go on the website, you will click on programs, NIOS, and udhar you will have 4 programs. One is secondary, second is senior secondary, third is just vocational, and fourth is something called an OBE program. Now, secondary is equivalent to 10th standard. ठीक है, it's our 10th board. Senior secondary is equivalent to 12th standard, अपना 12th board. Vocational is for people who just want to do only vocational. उसमें typewriting आता है, cooking, bakery आता है. There is a lot, carpentry, a lot of those technical stuff. So you can, whatever you want, you can go on that. click on the program. OBE is something called like a pre-NIOS, which has really taken off for the past 2 years. Okay, so now
Okay.
a lot of parents do ask us that okay 14 years में register करना है ना, पर 14 years तक क्या करें? How do we prepare
yes,
our
ma'am.
child
That is.
कि when he is when he is 14 we register क्या करें? So एक तो it is up to you, आप homeschooling करो, you homeschool your child, you take out keep him good in get him to learn English, get him to learn the EVS, geography, आपके ऊपर है. Homeschooling is all up to you. But
Okay, ma'am.
this pre-NIOS जो है इधर, it is called Pratham in Mumbai. Okay, in Maharashtra, all over it's called Pratham, or it is also called Open Basic Education.
Yes, Open Basic.
OBE, Open Basic Education. उसमें क्या रहता है? 3 levels रहते हैं, A, B and C. Level A, Level B, Level C. Okay? And उधर भी online registration ही है, how we have for NIOS. Their registration procedure is all pretty easy. And A level is equivalent to 2nd standard, B level is equivalent to 5th standard, C level is equivalent to 8th standard.
Okay.
So A, B, C. Again, इधर का क्या beauty है? What I really like of this is you don't need to go from A to B, B to C. जरूरी नहीं है. Age criteria है. 7 years is for level A, 11 years is for B, and 12 years is for C. Age criteria is there. That's all. But it is not compulsory कि बाबा अभी हमने level A दे दिया. But we find our child has the capability and the intelligence to go to level C. We can do that. You don't need to go from level A to level B to level C.
ओके मैम. सो मैम दैट इज अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन. अगर बच्चे को बच्चा वो कोप अप कर सकता है तो जरूरी नहीं है कि उसने लेवल ए नहीं किया तो वो डायरेक्ट लेवल बी भी कर सकता है अगर ही इज केपेबल टू डू दैट. ओके. एंड मैम वन थिंग, एक यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन है कि अगर बच्चा कोई नॉर्मल स्कूल में पढ़ रहा है, देन सपोज ही इज नॉट एबल टू कोप अप विद द सिलेबस, ठीक है, अभी 2nd या 3rd स्टैंडर्ड में है, तो मैम क्या स्कूल के साथ वो NIOS का पेपर दे सकता है? स्कूल अलाउ करता है उसको ऐसा? मतलब ऐसा कोई ऑप्शन आपके पास होता है? नहीं, अलग से ही आपको ज्वाइन करना?
हाँ, it will not be through the school. Now lot of special schools, they are conducting Pratham exams, like our school, Asmita, past 3 years we are doing it. We realize that few parents do want it, and so we do it. हाँ, तो हम लोग करते हैं. But if he is in a so-called normal जो भी school, if the child is doing that syllabus, that school will not help you. But this a parent can individually do it. But this, what I'm trying to say is, you don't need to burden the child with two syllabus. Yeah, you don't need to. You decide कि ठीक है मुझे 14 years तक so called normal school में रखना है, no issues. You decide कि मुझे home school करना है, no issues. You as a parent decide कि मुझे प्रथम में ये ABC levels करना है, no issues. It is just that बहुत सारे चीजें साथ में करते हैं ना, बच्चा confuse हो जाता है. And the burden is there. So once we decide कि okay we want to follow this path, अगर हमें यही path, it is easy. जो भी करना है. Homeschooling is absolutely not bad. You feel the child is capable, normal setup में 6th 7th standard तक करो, absolutely not an issue. कोई problem नहीं है. It is each as per the child. Now either when you join, when you decide कि मुझे ABC ये levels करना है, then once you register, it is valid for 3 years, that registration. So here also you have the flexibility ki by level A, it's a very basic level, it's a very simple level. But even if you feel ki no, I don't want to burden my child, that level A can be done over a period of 3 years. Okay. मतलब इसीलिए हम लोग, I'm telling you ना, this is one of the USPs of NIOS कि you give it when you want. किसी को जवाब नहीं देना है. Ultimately सर्टिफिकेट आएगा.
Don't burden the child. आप बच्चे के ऊपर बर्डन नहीं है कि भाई तुम्हें EPS में भी ये टॉपिक पढ़ना है, मैथ्स में भी पढ़ना है. लाइक मैम अभी राइट नाउ लाइक द स्कूल्स जो हैं उनका करिकुलम बहुत वास्ट होता जा रहा है. एंड आई फील कि कहीं ना कहीं स्पेशल बच्चों को हम स्कूल में एडमिशन तो दे देते हैं बट उनके ऊपर बर्डन बहुत हो जाता है. बिकॉज एज अ पेरेंट वी ऑल्सो वांट कि हाँ भाई बच्चा एटलीस्ट अगर अब एग्जाम है तो अच्छा ये तो पढ़ लो, अच्छा ये तो पढ़ लो, बट चाहे उसको समझ में आए चाहे ना आए, वी आर पुटिंग प्रेशर ऑन इट.
Yes. So that see that call will be have to be taken by a parent. Each individual parent will have to take that call and decide how much and what they want to pressurize the child with or what the child is capable for. Just now I'm just reading one question someone has asked. OBE register site, that is the same site. You go on NIOS and you will find everything. You will find the admission procedure for registration. You can go there only. So everything is available on that site. And next is, again, as I said, ABC level. You don't need to go from A to B to C. You can just, if you feel, in fact, in our school, we've had a couple of children who after A have directly done C. So it is absolutely up to y'all as a parent what choices y'all need to make. Okay. And this, as I said, you can take this to teach the child to be ready for NIOS. Or you follow either an SSC pattern, you follow your CBSE pattern, or you even do your own homeschooling. Now, and when you go on,
ma'am, one कि इसमें syllabus कैसे? It is differ from the CBSE. The syllabus is like grade ABC का.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Okay. You're talking about grade ABC. You're talking about the pre-NIOS.
Pre-NIOS. And both, ma'am, for the that is 10th level and the 12th level secondary.
See, so for pre-NIOS is, I find it is more or less thoda apna SSC board in Maharashtra, that level, but they are very good. It's very simple. A level has English, it covers EVS, it covers, we have computers, and then you have some pre-vocational subject and math. Oh. So these are the simple subjects. Same is in the B level, same is in the C level. And the whole syllabus is mentioned on your website. NIOS website, it's mentioned. Now over here in Maharashtra, we have, in Mumbai especially, we have something called a Pratham Education Initiative, where they are more or less study centers. So, and they guide us, they help us in conducting the exams. Basically, we as the school, connect with them and do the registration. But for people who don't have these study centers in some states, everything happens online.
Okay.
Everything happens online.
Study center is basically state wise होगा, सब state का अलग-अलग study centers.
Absolutely. वो तो NIOS में भी रहता है. अभी for Maharashtra, our regional center is in Pune. For Pune and another place. So for Mumbai, definitely we are for Pune. So
what about NIOS कि वो अपने basic level में vocational course भी add करता है, which is good कि बच्चा basic level से भी कुछ अपना सीख सकता है, vocational course कुछ जो भी उसका interest हो. और actually मैम vocational course से हमें explore अभी से अगर start होता है तो थोड़ा explore कर पाते हैं कि बच्चे का interest किस में है, तो फ्यूचर भी उससे थोड़ा अच्छा हो सकता है.
Yeah.
So that is good.
See, another thing, what your parents who have children who are young, abhi you can go on the NIS website. You can see the subjects. And as I said, you don't need to register. उनका online course study material online सब तैयार है. आप पढ़ोगे, आप उसको you will have some idea कि ये subject में ऐसा भी है. And another thing is in NIOS languages. Now here because primarily it is English, but otherwise if a child is good in a particular mother tongue, you can take that also as a language.
Okay.
You can take that. It can be for reading, writing, everything. So there you literally, I think for 10th standard from 20 odd subjects, we have options. We do have options in NIOS 10th. And senior secondary 12th तो और भी बहुत अच्छा है because past 3-4 years they have introduced mass communication, they have introduced tourism, which are something which is nice, because
Nice.
I remember our children in our school, my own son, they all did mass communication. It was for 12th, and they found it very easy to relate, very easy, कि इंटरव्यू के लिए कैसे तैयार होना है. And then ये ads जो आते हैं, how are those ads, why is that model looking like this? So it's like newspaper ads, TV ads, so it covered a lot of things which they could relate to. So what is good also is NIOS is slowly introducing subjects which are what can I say, more relatable. They are it is changing, and in fact past 10 or 15 days ye COVID की वजह से it has come that they are also now slowly going to have an option of online exams in the near future, which till now no other board had yet announced. NIOS has announced. Abhi kab hoga I don't know, but they have announced. So what I like is NIOS is also ready to change. They are changing. They have added another new subject called entrepreneurship in 10th standard. Right now they have not opened the slot because when we wanted to register one of our students for that particular subject, but it is there. Now mostly our students take English, that is one language. Then we have home science, we have computers, we have painting. So children who are very good at art, painting,
they can do
तो
painting.
काफी अच्छा है. And in fact another one of my friends, her child has taken Carnatic music. मतलब that has practical as well as what do you say, theory. So if your child is genuinely into music, it is very good.
Ma'am, so there is one question, sorry to interrupt you because otherwise वो question ऊपर चले जाएंगे. Ma'am, if the child has passed out 12th from NIOS, there are any other benefits? मतलब the Farida ji is asking that question. But what benefits? आप कौन से benefits के बारे में बात कर रही हैं? हाँ, समझ में नहीं आया. मतलब benefit तो यही हो गया कि बच्चा आपका senior secondary pass हो गया, कि that senior secondary with the NIOS, with the help of NIOS, and now will they get job?
Yeah, she has. Yes. Okay. As I just gave you, we have I have my own son as well as one of our ex-students from Asmita Learning Center. He has right now taken admission in a so-called normal college. He is doing his first year graduation. My son is doing his final year graduation in BFA, that is Bachelor of Fine Arts, from a college with Mumbai University. So it is equally valid. It is equally valid. As I said, NIOS is on par with all the other boards. कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. In 10th standard, you have to make sure that minimum five subjects are necessary to do any particular course in the 12th. Until unless your child wants to do something else on a doctorate side or something, then you take 6 subjects.
Okay, ma'am.
But for a proper, just a graduation in more or less most of the degrees, 5 subjects are more than enough in 10th and 12th.
And ma'am, one more thing. So as you said, आपने जैसे बताया कि 12th standard में बच्चे vocational course opt कर सकते हैं. So ma'am, they are as a subject they can take, like in the 5 subject they can take, or other?
No. Okay. No. In 10th standard, in the senior secondary, it is there. In the senior secondary, they're totally separate. So you can do your क्या बोलते हैं, the vocational अलग से, उसका अलग ही stream रहता है, उसका अलग ही रहता है. Yes.
Okay. And ma'am, one more question कि बच्चा अगर 10th में मैथ्स, क्योंकि मैम एज अ डाउन सिंड्रोम बच्चों की मैं अगर आपको बात बताऊं, दे आर स्लो लर्नर एंड बेसिकली वी कैन से कि इंटेलेक्चुअल डिसेबिलिटी एज सच इतना ज्यादा नहीं है, बट यस जहां लॉजिकल थिंकिंग आता है like in maths, so it's difficult. मतलब maths as a subject, most of the parents found कि it is difficult for our kids, for the Down syndrome kids, it is little bit difficult. So ma'am, is there any what are the facilities like maths को solve करने के लिए? Either they can use the calculator because the long multiplication, the long divisions. So is there any like thing is there?
Yeah, I'm just coming to the concession part. 1 minute.
Yes.
Now see, I'll just finish this and I'll come back to that. अपना
Sorry.
vocational subject, नहीं, no problem. I have kept the PPT on the other side because now through the phone कुछ दिखाएंगे नहीं.
Yes, ma'am.
So in secondary, that is for 10th standard, the vocational subjects are typewriting, carpentry, bakery, laundry services, and biogas technician. So these are in secondary, you can do it alongside. Okay, so some of our kids have done bakery and confectionery. But the problem when you do vocational is you need a proper study center who conducts these practical exams.
Okay.
क्योंकि बेकरी में हम लोग सिखा सकते हैं हमारे बच्चे को, बट वो जब एग्जाम आएगा, जब वो देना पड़ेगा, वो नहीं होता है. So that's why right now the vocational is not going as planned, because we have very, very few centers who are actually teaching these vocational subjects, courses. Now in senior secondary, there is a full list of vocational subjects. Okay, there are full list which are totally different from your academy. वो अलग है, ये अलग है. You can do them side by side, but the certificates are also different. You will get one, your academic certificate एक आ जाएगा, वो अलग है. Yeah, these are 6 months. These are basically diploma courses, 6 months courses. Okay. So वो अलग ही है. उसका admission you have will be a little different.
Okay.
Now, next is regarding the concessions. So the first thing is, my request is, once you know that you're going to do NIOS, you have decided that yes, we will be doing NIOS, and you know that the time for registration is when they are 14. So what you can do is, around maybe when the child is 12 or completed 12, just begin 13 years, you start getting his proper assessment done.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, when I say assessment, it has to be from a government certified hospital. Because those certificates only are valid in the NIOS board.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So that is it, and they take long. It is इतना जल्दी होता ही नहीं है. Minimum 6 to 8 months पकड़ के चलना है. Yes. So but you give yourself that window. You have to give yourself that window, and they will write. They will provide. Now over here in Mumbai, types of certificates. Okay. One is basically purely from your educational point of view. मतलब they assess the child over a period of time. बोलते हैं कि इसको writer चाहिए, इसको reader चाहिए, calculator, math के लिए calculator. Okay, in certain cases when it is really necessary, use of laptop. Very rare use of laptop. And in other cases, a provision for a adult writer. Okay, so these are all the provisions that should be written on the certificate. So it makes the job of you can apply for those concessions.
Okay, ma'am.
And NIOS is very, very what do you say? What term shall I use? Very strict when they say that we need to see that it is written on the certificate that these concessions are needed for the child. Okay. So these are the provisions that are available for children with disabilities. So it includes cerebral palsy, it includes autism, it includes intellectual disabilities, slow learners, everything. So it all depends on how we are with where we go for the certification, for the writer's certificate, for all. That is very important.
Okay.
And that should be done just before we start our registration. So as I said, अगर हमने सोचा है कि 14 years में हमें register करना है, 13 से चालू कर दो, 12 and a half, 13 से चालू कर दो, and keep it ready. Because if your child is under the autism spectrum, I do know that it is valid for 2.5 years, that certificate. So then again you have to go for a renewal. Okay, I know for learning disability it is lifelong. Now this is a certificate which is very useful from the educational point of view. This is purely for educational purposes, and it is also helpful when our child is giving the 12th board. And and from the 12th board, if our child is going to enter into a mainstream college for graduation. Okay.
So ma'am,
So
one
these,
thing,
yeah,
you have told about proper assessment. तो proper assessment like जैसे disability certificate के लिए हम लोग कराते हैं, like that?
exactly. Yes,
Okay.
yes. But it should be done from a certified government hospital.
Government
So
hospital.
usually you will have a list, you know, हर एक state का ये list रहेगा
List
कि
होता
ये
है.
hospitals. So you will have to go for
Go
these
there.
concessions. Because during the, when you, there's just a question which has come, so I will answer it right now, when to apply for these concessions. See, when you register, you will register as one of the disabilities. You will write either a slow learner, whatever, those are there. Okay, and you will upload the disability certificate also. So that is why if you have the disability certificate in hand, when you're registering, it helps. It definitely helps. Now, in that, if your child has got a few concessions, okay, so now as I said, now the next exam will be in April. Abhi October ka ho gaya. So supposing we are planning ki our child is going to appear for the exams in April, then just around, I think around January, we send a letter, that is the parent or the school, whoever will send a letter to the regional center, whichever regional center we are connected with, that our child has got this certificate. These are the concessions. Please grant these concessions for the exam. And that has to be sent well in advance because they take their own sweet time to respond. And just in case nahi aaya, we to tell our parents, Pune जाके चक्कर मार के आ जाओ. मतलब it's that. Mumbai, Pune, just go, show your face, talk to them, and you know, बात कर लो. So that is the time these concessions are
So ma'am,
useful.
you are there in Asmita Learning Center, तो means आपने तो बहुत बच्चों के लिए मतलब you are doing such a great job, because I think ऐसे institute भी होना बहुत जरूरी है. Because I find कि I am in अहमदाबाद और अहमदाबाद में इतने सेंटर, इस टाइप के ऐसे सेंटर्स कम हैं जो कि इस टाइप की NIOS रिलेटेड पूरा ट्रेनिंग और जो सेंटर्स होते हैं इस तरीके के सेंटर. और मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अगर बच्चे को होम स्कूलिंग के साथ अगर हम NIOS सेंटर्स में भेजें तो एटलीस्ट उनका कुछ डेवलपमेंट, अच्छा वाला डेवलपमेंट होगा. सो इट्स गुड मैम. इसका ब्रांचेस और भी कहीं ओपन होना चाहिए.
Yes, we are. हम लोग अभी by director has started now, and we have started this also. एक दो we do take online teaching now. Thanks to the pandemic, all of us have realized that yes, हम लोग we can teach them online also. तो एक दो sessions online भी कर लेते हैं. This, but yes, it is needed, very needed all over India. It's very few ऐसे centers, very few. But as I said again, NIOS, once if the parent is aware of all this, you can definitely do this yourself. Because everything has to go via from the parent's name. We guide the parent. We as the institute guide the parent कि ये करना है. तो वो guidance तो हम देते रहते हैं. And as I said, ये concession आपको जो लगेगा, ये आपको educational concessions के लिए लगेगा, ठीक है? And the other one अभी if you are aware is वो UDID card. That is just a disability card, disability certificate, where it is useful for, you know, other than the education part, maybe as in the job sector, for traveling, uske liye.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is where I said is these are the educational this. Someone has written children for special needs also have to take 5 subjects or less. Yes.
5 subjects.
They have to take 5 subjects if you want to get the 10th standard certificate. Okay. And our institute is Asmita Learning Center. We are at Vadala West in Mumbai. One more question has come. Okay.
Yes, yes. That I'm going to tell.
Yeah. Another thing is, another thing is, 1 minute. I just want to finish the concessions part. Okay. One, as I said, is you do get a provision of a writer. Okay. Provision of a reader. Certain children who need this space, they even give us a separate sitting arrangement. Okay, a separate sitting arrangement. Third is in cases of math, use of a calculator.
And but it totally depends. It totally depends upon the certificate, na? If they are mentioned on that.
Yes, so that is where a parent comes in. Very important is how you interact in the hospital. It is very important how you present, how you show what your child needs, and you tell them. That is very important. That is where a parent has to say, we tell the parents, you all take the books and go, you all show the handwriting. That and sometimes a child, when he may say everything verbally, पर जब वही बच्चे को लिखना पड़ता है ना, बहुत स्ट्रेस, बहुत स्ट्रेस हो जाता है, बहुत स्ट्रेस होता है.
That is happening in our Down syndrome kids because their muscles are very weak. So muscle toning is not there, और सबसे ज्यादा जो प्रॉब्लम होता है वो पेंसिल ग्रिप का ही होता है. मतलब till at the age of 12, 13 they are struggling in writing. So for Down syndrome kids, yes, it is like very much needed sometime, because बहुत से बच्चे नहीं लिख पाते हैं, उनको पेंसिल का पकड़ने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है. They can tell you by orally, verbally, they can say everything, or they know the answer, but they don't able to write. This will happen because they are slow learner also. So
yes.
That is
so those are, as I said, in certain cases use of a laptop, and certain for visually impaired they give an additional 1 hour for visually impaired children or spastic candidates. And for otherwise, if the exam paper is for 3 hours, usually exam papers are for 3 hours, तो हर घंटे का 20 minutes extra time. So it's like 1 hour extra time.
1 hour to okay,
yes. So you get extra time. तो वो तो होता है. That extra time, use of calculator, वो easy concessions मिल जाते हैं. Just when you write a letter, मिल जाते हैं. The problem comes when you need a writer, and in other cases a laptop, use of a laptop. Separate seating arrangement भी मिल जाता है. But main is when you need a writer, and in a lot of other cases, adult writer. Especially now for certain children on the autism spectrum, they do require adult writers. वो बहुत जल्दी आसानी से वो लोग concession नहीं देते. You need to, as a parent, follow up, and as sometimes, as we say, build connections over there. So
yes,
वो काफी networking करना ही पड़ता है. But once these are in place, it is available. And one thing we have to remember, whatever concessions, whatever relaxations are there, they are naturally applicable only for the theory paper. Practical के लिए नहीं होगा. Now practical कौन से subjects में आता है? Painting, computers, home science, and mass comm. That is, these are the few subjects which our children do take often, so I do know. Painting is definitely, the child needs to, if they're they may not look at the finesse of everything, but they need to know if the child has that ability.
Yes.
In data entry, computers, they do give us small passages. They give our children a few passages, type it in a particular time. Excel sheet में एक simple सा दे देते हैं that you scored so many marks and so many these subjects. Find the sum.
Yes, okay.
And maybe sometimes a PowerPoint. That is for 10th standard. 12th standard is a little higher. Home science they may.
Yes, ma'am. You please continue.
Home science they may tell you get a first aid box. So box हम लोग घर पे बना देते हैं school या parents. फिर बच्चा जाके at least they should be able to say something कि band-aid कब लगाते हो, Dettol कब डालते हो. So that way. So practical, there'll be no relaxations. Yes, you will be allowed as a parent to be close by. Maybe it depends again on your center. Which center you get for your practical depends on that. How sensitized they are towards children with special needs. Then only all this is applicable. But otherwise, the concessions are purely only from the theory paper point of view.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. आपने इतना अच्छा इंसाइट हमको दिया है पूरा. अच्छा, बिल्कुल, because this is the main actually बहुत से पेरेंट्स के लिए एक टॉपिक था कि यार अगर मैं अपने बच्चे को, मेरा बच्चा कोप अप नहीं कर रहा है तो नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज द स्टेप, अभी मैं क्या करूँ. होम स्कूलिंग भी करा तो रही हूँ, लेकिन उसका रिजल्ट क्या, कैसे एग्जाम्स दिलाऊं. सीबीएसई कौन सा बोर्ड, कैसा बोर्ड लूं. सो दिस इज, थैंक यू सो मच मैम, आपने इतना अच्छा
वेलकम
हमको दिया है. मैम वन क्वेश्चन था मेरा. मैम ये जैसे जो सेंटर्स हैं, हर जगह जो सेंटर्स हैं, इसका लिस्ट हमको कहीं से मिल सकता है? जैसे आपने मुंबई का, आपको पता है कहाँ पर है, तो अगर एज अ पेरेंट मैं आज अगर गुजरात में कहीं ढूंढना चाहूँ, तो मुझे ये लिस्ट कहाँ से अवेलेबल होगा? इसका कुछ
एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल ऑन द वेबसाइट. Everything is
ओके, दैट इज
available on the website. nios.ac.in. You can
यस मैम.
yeah, you can type out study centers. सब चीज available है. Everything is there. Wherever
ओके
all
मैम.
over India, it is there. It is there.
ओके
And
मैम.
yeah, another thing is, in case your child does get a writer, in case your child does is applicable, they agree, you have to send the details of the writer much beforehand, before the exams start.
एंड मैम द राइटर शुड बी लाइक बच्चे से बड़ा, छोटा, कैसा, मतलब कुछ उसका कुछ
बेसिकली बच्चे से उम्र में कम, बट काफी थोड़ा, यस. एंड स्कूल, इफ ही इज स्टडिंग इन अ पर्टिकुलर स्कूल, वो स्कूल का आईडी कार्ड, नो ऑब्जेक्शन लेटर फ्रॉम द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ दैट स्कूल, वो सब है. So there are a lot of provisions, but once we get it in our disability certificate, then to avail it, वो NIOS के अलग है, but we can do it. It is laptop, use of laptop, all that has started now.
सो मैम बिकॉज जब अभी हम लोग डिसेबिलिटी सर्टिफिकेट के लिए जाते हैं, तो वहाँ पे वो सिर्फ परसेंटेज लिखते हैं, परसेंटेज ऑफ डिसेबिलिटी. लाइक इन डाउन सिंड्रोम the child, only the disability is written like 50% or 40%, 60%. That's
Yes.
it. They don't mention that the child is a slow learner or they are in that need. So that is one question कि फिर वो कैसे होगा NIOS में use का?
See, that is what I was trying to tell you. Either we have, that's my main handicap. I know everything in Mumbai. Over here, we have specifically 2-3 hospitals which are very good in giving educational concessions. And there is 1 or 2 hospital who give exactly like this. 50% disability लिख के दे देते हैं. Then
Yes,
the parent has to put कुछ तो लिखो पीछे, provision तो लिखो.
Only happen, it is mentioned that 50% intellectual disability. That's it. It is written on that disability certificate.
Okay. No, because see, when that type of thing comes now, then at least they should have it ready with them, that provisions for children with intellectual disability, these are the provisions. But if you need especially you need a writer, believe me, that has to be very clearly mentioned. Very clear, नहीं तो बहुत मगजमारी होती है, बहुत मगज problems होते हैं end में. So before you go and start the process, you must tell the hospital that we need it purely from the educational purpose. हमें percentage of disability नहीं चाहिए. We want कि इसको क्या क्या provisions मिल सकते हैं. And for that they may tell you letter of a school. So if your child is going to the school has to give a letter that this child is going to appear in NIOS later on. We need to know what are the concessions, and the school also writes, according to us, these are the problems. He has, he writes a little slow, whatever, we write that. But supposing you are homeschooling, even then you give a detailed letter to the hospital that now I want to make him appear for NIOS and I need these concessions. Please assess him for these. And that you will have to, I think now slowly your parents have become very aware. So now it is very nicely demarcated, differentiated कि हाँ ठीक है, educational के लिए ये है and just disability UDID card ये है. So I think slowly if you
parents को हमें जानना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि हम लोग सिर्फ डिसेबिलिटी सर्टिफिकेट ले रहे हैं. थैंक यू, आपने हमें ये इतना इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट बताया है, बिकॉज अगर हमें पता ही नहीं होगा तो हम बोलेंगे क्या उनको जाके.
वही
important thing. And I think मैम आपने सारे पॉइंट्स कवर कर दिए हैं, चाहे एडमिशन हो, चाहे वो सिलेबस हो, कंसेक्शन हो, एवरीथिंग इज कवर्ड. सो थैंक यू सो मच मैम, आपने इतना अच्छा और इतने सारे ग्लिचेस होने के बाद भी आप मेरे साथ बनी रही.
I also knew we both were upset that ये नहीं हो रहा है.
At the end I was thinking कि oh no, इतना प्लान किया था and ये यहाँ पे रह जाएगा, नहीं होना चाहिए ऐसा. So parents, if you have any queries, अगर अभी आप online हैं और अगर आपको कोई query है तो please you can ask, और otherwise you can message me so that I will get back to you. मैं आपके queries मैम से बिल्कुल discuss करके आपको बिल्कुल answer दूंगी. और अगर किसी को इसके बारे में further भी कुछ knowledge, कुछ issues हैं तो भी वो बता सकता है. एंड मे बी फ्यूचर में अब हम एक बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे मैम को बुलाएंगे, बिकॉज आई थॉट कि फेसबुक इसलिए मैंने करा कि इस पे सिर्फ डाउन सिंड्रोम ही स्पेसिफिक नहीं, बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स हमसे जुड़ सकेंगे. सो बेसिकली इट्स नॉट, NIOS इज नॉट बेसिकली मेंट फॉर डाउन सिंड्रोम ओनली, इट इज फॉर एवरी चाइल्ड हु हैव अ स्पेशल नीड्स. So I think if any query, please you can ask. And thank you so much, ma'am. मैं बता नहीं सकती कि मैं कितनी खुश हूँ, because it was my first live session. मतलब जिसमें मैंने किसी गेस्ट को इनवाइट करा था.
No, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can our children clear all subject in one? Yes, ma'am.
It's each child, up to each child. You know your child the best. If you feel he's capable, absolutely. आपके ऊपर है. You can see the syllabus. You can. As I said, there is no compulsion. There is no compulsion. Level A, B, C हम लोग तो एक ही साल में करा ही लेते हैं. But for NIOS, it all depends how much pressure the child is under. वो individual है. Absolutely individual.
थैंक यू सो मच पारुल. सबसे एंड मैम मैं बहुत शुक्रिया आपके साथ DSFI का भी करना चाहूंगी, बिकॉज वहां से हम लोगों का एक डाउन सिंड्रोम फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिया है, जिसकी तरफ से हमको मतलब एक तरीके से कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप किया वहां की प्रेसिडेंट रेखा माने कि आज हम इतना सब कुछ कर रहे हैं एज अ पेरेंट, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट लाइक कि हम लोग कोई प्रो नहीं है, बट वी आर ट्राइंग टू गिव अवर बेस्ट टू अवर सोसाइटी की जो प्रॉब्लम्स हमने फेस करी वो आगे आने वाले न्यू पेरेंट्स वो चीज प्रॉब्लम फेस ना कर सके. दैट्स व्हाई वी बिकम अ बिग फैमिली. मैम देयर इज वन क्वेश्चन, if child cannot clear all subject in 1 year, then what we can do?
Appear again, keep appearing. You can, even if the child
It's
has
5
failed,
years.
no problem. Yeah, your registration is valid for 5 years. You again can appear next year again with that subject, same subject, pay the exam fees. You can do it.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Welcome.
Welcome. हम आपको दोबारा से ऐसे ही बुलाते रहेंगे. और अब तो हमें आ गया है, थोड़ा समझ में आ गया कैसे,
थोड़ा समझ में आ गया है फेसबुक कैसा करना है. Yes, yes, ठीक है.
Yes,
okay. Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot. And thank you everyone जो भी हमें देख रहे हैं, जो भी हमें सुन रहे हैं. अगर आपके और भी कोई ऐसे टॉपिक्स हैं जिसको आप चाहते हैं कि हम डिस्कस करें या आप उसके बारे में कोई जानकारी लेना चाहते हैं, तो प्लीज आप मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हैं, सो दैट हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे कि इस मंथ में ज्यादा से ज्यादा इन टॉपिक्स को कवर कर सकें, जिससे कि हमें और ज्यादा जानकारी मिल सके. So thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you everyone. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Welcome. Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you everyone. Thank you.